Namaste and welcome to this short sequence practice which takes you through shoulders and hip opener, which will take you eventually through bird of paradise. It's a posture that demands you stability, hip opening, core engagement and a shoulder opener. Well, let's start with having a strap. If you don't have a strap, you can use a long piece of cloth and we would just gently welcome a little shoulder flossing. So stretch your arms out ahead and you can increase or decrease the distance between the strap depending on the comfort that you have in your shoulders. As you go back, allow your chest to relax and not lift up too much. Keep your chest neutral and let's do this shoulder flossing for 10 rounds. As you inhale, lift up, and as you exhale, go back. And if this is getting easier for you, you can shorten the distance. See if you're still coordinating that breath. If you've forgotten about it, bring it back. Inhale to going back and exhale to coming front. From here, we lift the arms up, reduce the distance between the strap, take it behind your ears, a little behind your ears, and then try to stretch it on the side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Other side. Same thing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, chest relax, exhale. Both the hands are straight. Inhale, come up, lift the shoulder up and push it to the front. Now from here, keep the shoulder blades away from each other and push the hands out. Keep pushing the hands out, out, out. Keep pushing it and relax. Well, if your shoulder needs a little more opening, I will suggest you to keep doing this for 2 more rounds. Let's get started by coming into all fours. From here, I would want you to just take your right knee to the side and just circle it. Yes, circle by keeping the whole weight on the 3 limbs, not just on the left palm and left knee, but also on the right palm. With 5 more to go. Now reverse. Now take your knees on the side. Stay, hold, straighten it, hold it, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly drop the knees down. We do the same thing on the other side. Bring your left knee, circling it, keeping the weight on the left hand. Yes. 4, 5, keep breathing. 5 more to go. Reverse the direction. And take the knees on the side, straighten it and hold. Slowly come back. Bring your both the knees lifting up into downward facing dog and drop it back into all fours. What we'll do is, now next time when we come back into all fours, our knees will be off the floor. Downward dog, all fours. Downward dog, all fours. Keep going. Inhale as you come ahead. Exhale as you go back. Inhale. Exhale. Engage that core. Last one, hold. And go back to downward dog. Bend your right knee. Bend your left knee. Bend your right knee. Bend your left knee. Bend your right knee. Bend your left knee. From here, step your right hand outside the right leg. So your both hands are on the inside and the leg is on the outside. Just stay there and rock front and back. Good. Keep your breath steady. From here, we'll just drop the back knee down. Keep your right hand on the right thigh and just circle your hips. Full circle. Yes, that's looking lovely. And reverse the direction of the circle. Go back, go front, back, go front, back, front. Last one. Stay there. From here, drop your right hand down, left arm up. Now I'm going to lift the back knee off and drop that heel down. Flatten the heel and push the hip lower. Breathe. Hold this. From here, just engage your legs and join your palms. Breathe. Slowly straighten that leg if you can. Take the support of the hands. Drop your hand down. Walk both the hands on the other side, coming into lizard lunge. Just rocking front and back. Yes. Beautiful. That's such a lovely view to practice from. Flowing river, beauty of nature, and these amazing horses. That's such a blessing. From here, we drop the back knee down and we keep the left hand on the thigh and we circle it. Try to circle this nicely. This will actually help you floss that hip socket. And reverse the direction. And come back front. From here, you will drop your left hand down. Open that knee out by dropping the heel. Maybe if you want to adjust it a step ahead, go ahead and do so. Take your arms up, hips down, and breathe. Engage the legs, see if you can go off the floor. Join your palms, open your heart and breathe. Slowly drop the hand down, try to straighten that leg. That's lovely. Go ahead and drop your both hands down in the center. Bring both the toes inwards. Heels in, heels out, toes in. From there, slowly lift your head up. Arch your back, like flatten it. Push the tailbone out. Hold your hands on the waist. Hold it here. If you want to add a little challenge, you can take your arms ahead. That was lovely. Slowly release. Bend the knees. Roll yourself up. That's amazing. Turn out your right leg. And then just slowly lower yourself down into Skandasana. Open your hips. From here, take your left hand under. See, your left hand goes under. And trying to take your right hand from behind and make a bind. Just bind through this and breathe. You can also choose to stay here. You can use a strap to help you reach this. Slowly come back. Just let your body lower yourself down on the right side, taking the other arm up. Breathe. Slowly drop the hands down. Lift up the hips and change the direction. Dropping the right hand down, left arm up. If you can, I add that bind by taking the right hand behind the knee and left hand from the back. Slowly release the hands, drop your left elbow down, right arm up, and breathe. Slowly drop the hands down, lift up and switch sides to Skandasana. We'll do this 6 times, with or without the hands, whatever's more comfortable for you. And come back up. We'll turn out the knees, come into Kalyasana. Hold, take your chest in, push the knees out, breathe. If you can lower the hips in line with the knees, then that's perfect. Close your eyes. Allow your breath to just relax. Slowly straighten your hands, straighten your legs. Lovely. Get your legs together. We'll just do one hold by single leg balance. So you'll take your right leg ahead, wrap it around, and bend the left knee. This is eagle. With that, see if you can join your palms. And slowly unwind and relax. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Lift your left leg up. Try to see if you can find balance just with this first. Bend the knee as you wrap your legs. Join your palms. Slowly come back up and relax. Lovely. That was an amazing balance. Let's come to our peak pose now. We'll start by rolling down. Roll slowly. Walk the hands ahead. From here, step your left leg outside the left hand. This. From here, drop that right heel down. Open your arms up to the universe. See if you can go. Remove the weight from the hands. Take your hand behind and bind it. Just that much. Breathe. And from here, we'll just step the legs ahead. Either in as many steps as you like. From here, hold this bind. Remember, you can use a strap to get this bind. Lift your left heel up. Just breathe. See if you can find the balance and pick it off the floor. Just that much. Keep your shoulders back and engaged. Keep your focus alive. From here, just slowly lower yourself down. Reverse the way you entered. Drop the hands down and go back into downward facing dog. You can take a rest in child's pose or continue with me with the right leg ahead, turning out the body, dropping the hand under to go behind. Take your bind without the strap or with the strap. With that, aim with a clear focus, step your left leg ahead, let it join. Pick up the right heel. Again, no need to rush. Go at your own pace. Just stand there. Find your breath, shoulders strong. Slowly lower. Going back exactly how you entered, back to downward dog. Let's do this again, shall we? Left leg ahead, open. See if you can straighten your legs. Slowly unwind, going back, downward facing dog. Remember, it's a journey. It'll unfold eventually. No need to rush. Step your legs ahead. Take your time, no need to rush. If you feel like repeating this practice, you can do so. Remember, be gentle with your shoulders and give that time for your hips to open up eventually. From here, dropping the knees and going down into child's pose. Thank you so much for exploring Bird of Paradise with me. Well, like I said, this practice demands a lot of consideration and patience. So give it time and you will eventually see it happening. Thank you and have a lovely day.